If you're eager to accumulate a substantial amount of gems in Brawl Stars, I've got the perfect method for you. This strategy has helped me amass around 130 gems in a very short period. It's crucial that you stick around for the entire video because it's packed with invaluable information. Whether you're a free-to-play gamer aiming to reach over 200 gems from scratch, this method could be one of the fastest routes. Firstly, log into Brawl Stars and navigate to the shop icon at the top left corner. Take a careful look at the offers available in the shop, particularly those that provide a significant number of gems for a reasonable price. If there aren't any appealing offers, don't worry, there's still a way forward. Pay close attention to the gem packs located at the bottom of the shop interface. While you may notice packs offering 950 gems for $69.99, this might not be feasible for free-to-play players. However, there's a workaround. Consider reaching out to close friends for assistance. Politely ask if you can borrow $70, preferably in the form of a Google Play or Apple gift card. In return, offer to help them out with tasks like doing the dishes or washing their car. By putting in some effort, you can obtain the funds needed to purchase 950 gems in less than a day.